Principal Gabriel, Vice Principal Dr. King, Music Director Mr. Thomas, staff and students, good morning. Congratulations on your recent achievement in winning the TVJ's Alltogether Sing competition.
Jamaica International Independent
Is an internationally based entity with a mission to unite Jamaicans in the diaspora worldwide through music. It is with great pleasure that I, on behalf of Jiifsc, make this donation of $75,000 to Manchester High School Music Department.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It will be used well, and thank you to the entire team.
On behalf of the Manchester High School staff and students, we'd like to thank Mr. McCook and his team for their generous donation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you to Manchester High again. Congratulations on being the winners of the TVJ Alltogether Sing competition. That's how you were chosen as the winners for 2023. Continued blessings to you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Jiifsc mission is to create a platform for artists of Jamaican descent in the diaspora to showcase their musical talent during the Jamaica Independence celebration.
Reggae overseas, Jiifsc. No, now it's nothing, now that's what. Money me a look away, money me a look away. The pussy and the boy tonight. War was done. Come let me live as one. Every step we take, we make the studio shake. But we would bring more goodness. It's all about Romy and your favorite sister Naomi. The two of them claims say them know me, and them argument show me.